Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I want to take a few moments to thank all my subscribers and viewers because you watch my videos and you leave great comments. These sellers have been sending me all these radios to review. Now, I only accept radios that I have reviewed myself online, and I think they're going to be good radios. So I'm only bringing you videos of radios that I like and I think you will like. But anyway, I wanted to thank you for your support. I'm up to 17,485 subscribers, and you can see the past month that has grown and grown and grown. And I want to thank you for sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel. It's been great. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.